Okay, so I'm grabbing my olive brown and my umber. And I'm going to focus just kind of like in this area. We're going to work. So start down here. Let's start getting some of this area mapped out. I'm going to very lightly scumble in. And then also, let's take some of the pencil strokes and just lighten them up or get rid of them completely. So, olive brown. Let's bring it this way. I kind of want to just focus on one small area at a time. You don't want to get too far ahead. You want to watch where all these little veins go, though, the directions that they're going in. And even lighter than that, we're just going to start to block in those extremely dark areas. Okay, so that also includes those veins that we see going up into the plant, into all those petals. We have that base. Well, let's go in with our, I'm going to put a lighter base. I'm going to do like a green ochre first. I'm even going to go over here. I know it's a little bit brighter, but we're going to put it right in here, and that's when it starts to turn pink. Just regular olive. See, we're just like building these colors. We already have our deeper colors on the bottom. I'm going to put the granite rose as a base in here, just to start that transition. It's okay to poke it into the green some too. It's obviously starting to get pink. It's not super bright, but let's go ahead and get the salmon pink. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here right next to that white part of the petal. I'm just going to darken it up with some of the salmon pink and pull down some of that color, just like this. Integrate it down into that green. Even pull it a little bit to the edge of this part of the green. Okay, so now we want to add, I'm going to do just a little bit of the brownish orange too in here, just for a little bit extra shadow. Let's do some of the dark carmine, put it, or carmine, whatever you want to call it. We're going to put it right in here. Just right like that. And what I want to do is also bring it on these little, oops, I kind of crossed over a little bit. I got a little wild. So, kind of pull that out of there. Okay. And then let's soften those these red or pink lines. So I'm going to take my light olive and then maybe a little bit of just regular olive, maybe even mimic is just a little wee bit.